welcome on our stage Luca Bocchio, partner at Accel, and Christian Hecker, CEO of Trade Republic. Thank you so much for being here, guys.
Thank you for having us, and pleased to be here today. I think it will be great for the audience to learn more about Trade Republic and the amazing plans the company have for launching across Europe. So I'm pleased to introduce here one of the two co-founders, Thomas, which is leading all the product and tech of this company. Thomas, shall you introduce yourself, and then maybe I can ask you a couple of questions.
Of course, yeah. Thanks for the introduction. So I'll give a few words on Trade Republic and myself, and basically the vision that we have for the company and what we want to build with it across Europe. So a few words on myself. I'm Thomas, founded Trade Republic with Christian and Marco about 5 years ago, and responsible, as Luca mentioned, for the product and engineering team. Coming from a physics background, moving into banking and IT, I was always interested in automating as much as possible in this banking and brokerage space. And this is also what I think one of the advantages of Trade Republic is. We are building a mobile-first investment platform for everyone to be able to participate and invest into capital markets. And we're doing this by building a new technology and by building a new bank based on automated processes and, yeah, a product that everyone can understand and enjoy.
Yeah, which sounds very simple, but in fact is not. Thomas, I think will be great to learn more how you guys have been really doing this, because you said you founded 5 years ago, but you launched right 1 year ago. So how difficult it is to build from the ground up an investment platform and getting all the required licenses and processes?
Yeah. So when we started, we looked at the market of investing and brokerage and tried to figure out why it's so expensive and why there are so many hurdles for people to invest into the capital markets. And we basically found out the product universe of current banks and brokers is just very broad. There is a lot of investment products that people don't need, but that are offered. And we wanted to really focus on what 95% of the customers need and what can be a product for the broader public. And we also saw that the banks are still running on their old IT systems, and decided to build something up from scratch to remove all these historically grown complexity of a bank and build something on the green field. But Luca, as you mentioned, building this from the start is not the only thing. You also require quite some licensing, especially in Europe and in Germany, where we're building this. So really the first 2.5 years of the company were defining the processes, writing our license application, really thinking about how can the business model, how can the tech work to support this product. But we're glad to have been on this process, because now we're, of course, in a very good position of using everything that we have built up so far to really have a product that is very quickly or that we can very quickly adapt, that we can grow, and that doesn't depend on any external parties.
Yeah, I mean, that's obviously very important, because it gives you flexibility and freedom to launch very quickly new products that consumers love. And maybe speaking of this, what do you think has been the secret sauce element for your successful launch in your home country in Germany, which has been somehow a story of success in roughly 12 months since your launch as of now?
I think it has two parts. First of all, we have a real focus on our customers. So whatever we build into our product, be it how the product is designed, how easy it is being used, what kind of features we build in, we always try to see what do our customers and what do our users really need and really want. So we're listening to them through surveys, through reviews. And on the second part, besides, of course, building a product that our customers love, we focus on also building a premium product. So from the beginning, Trade Republic focused on having its own banking license, having insurance for the customer of their deposits, of their stocks, and also taking care of the taxation and taking care of everything that comes around when you're investing into the capital markets. So not building just a small MVP product, but really offering something where you can put your life savings on and where you can build your wealth upon.
Yeah, and given your focus on product and engineering, Thomas, which are the features that you're most excited about that you've been able to launch or that you're working on at the moment?
Yeah, I think the features that we have built in the last year or last 12 months, especially the ones are exciting, which are focusing on enabling a broader public, enabling everyone to participate in the stock markets. And that is first and foremost the savings plan features that we built, and where we recently, just the beginning of this month, launched the stock savings plan feature. So to introduce this in a nutshell, the idea is that every month you take a few €100 and invest these into investment products at the capital markets, either funds which are investing into a broad range of stocks, very diversified, or stocks that you like, that you pick yourselves. And this product we can offer for no commissions and basically an automated way of investing into the capital markets. And this is something we're also seeing across our user base, a product that is very, very accepted and that a lot of our customers use. And I think also, which is very interesting for a larger, ever-growing number of people, because of demographic change, where actually investing, putting money aside is something that everyone needs to look into.
Thank you so much, both of you, for your time and for being here. And have a good rest of the day. Thank you, guys.
Great.
Thank you for having us again. Cheers. Bye.